Hi everyone, this is Hannah, and I wanted to show you a video of what I have put together. It's what I'm calling Mother's Day Junk Journal or Junk Journal Embellishment Kit. And I've put some items together here, some coffee stain pages, some vintage pages, hand-dyed seam binding that I have dyed, fibers, vintage laces, just some neat little stuff. So we'll go ahead and dig into it here. And these are the three colors of the seam binding. There's one on one of my haul videos that I did recently. I had bought some Persian lilac seam binding, and I had to use up some stain, so I mixed it in with it, and I really like the effect of it. It's really cool looking. Here's also some kind of like a tan color, and then here's like a lavender color. I've also got fibers, just all kinds of neat stuff. This is kind of a fuchsia color. This is a gray, and then this is a kind of like a light tan cream color, almost like wheat or silk color. And then here's also some laces here. This is like a cream colored lace. This is a vintage lace that my grandmother had given to me. This is also an older lace as well. I'm not sure how old this one is. I would say probably at least 20 years old. And this one probably about the same. 20 to 30 years old. It's beautiful. So those are the laces and trims and fibers that you'll get. Also, these are some cute little paper tea bags with the drawstring. What I was thinking that you could do is maybe take some of the lace and just kind of glue it across the top, make you a cute little pocket, put a little tag in there, you know, and you can glue the whole back of the piece to your paper, or just glue, you know, like this side and this side, use it as like a tuck spot behind. That's an option there. So you get two of those. Also, this was pretty neat. This is some washi tape. Really cool looking. It has please send to, and has where you can put the name, the address, from, name, address, then another one, send to, name, address. And I've just got it put here on some of this wax paper, which the wax paper is pretty neat too. You can do all kinds of things with it. You can you know, rough it up, you can stain it, dye it, you know, and just do different things with it. It's pretty neat. So you'll get that. You'll also get some vintage buttons. Each kit will get a few of these here. And this shows a sample of what you'll get. There's different colors. There's a pink, a orange, ivory, tan colors. So each kit will get about 4 buttons of different colors. And you'll also get a pack of flowers. These are some Prima flowers that are fabric. I have a couple different packs, and I was trying to think where the other pack is. I have 6 of this pack, and then I have another pack that's kind of more like orange and green and tans, you know, which is pretty too. I like those flowers as well. So these These I'll be putting in the first of the kits. I thought I had that other bag here, but I must have put it up. So, but this one shows the, you know, the first 6 kits will get this one, unless if you want the other one, which I'll have a picture of that one in the listing, and you can choose whichever one, or I'll just randomly pick one for you. These are scans of a, you know, a blank guest check or thank you, and they're just, you know, just plain on the back. And I printed these onto just regular printer paper. I thought these would be really neat. And then these are some library cards. These are scans that I printed onto some heavyweight chipboard. And then these are a couple of tea-stained paper doilies. They're 4 inches in diameter. And then this is a napkin that I had showed on a haul that I did. It's a beautiful napkin. Let me see if I can maybe zoom it out. Yeah, that way you can see a little bit better. It's beautiful. It's a big napkin. You know, and then it's also 3-ply, so you could actually separate the layers. I'm seeing 2 layers. It says it's 3-ply, so I think that means 3 layers. So, but yeah, and I picked this napkin because I liked the colors in it. It's got a variety, whether you like more of mauve colors or more red, or whites and creams, or peach, yellow. You know, it has all of these colors in here, so it's a good variety. You know, a lot of times when we think of Mother's Day, or we see different colors for Mother's Day, it always seems to be one of these colors, which, I mean, of course, really any color, you know, I like all the colors really. But I just thought that was really neat. And you'll get 10 sheets of coffee stained paper. These pages are unique because I dyed them in raspberry flavored coffee, and so they smell like raspberry. In fact, they smell to me, I love chocolate. And I've eaten the, oh, I forget what brand it is. I don't know if it's Lindt or Ghirardelli, but it's the strawberry champagne chocolate, and it smells just like that. It smells really, really good. So it smells just like that. And I did do some stenciling on these pages as well. I did a doily, so like when you fold your paper in half, you know, each side will have some of the doily, you know, whichever way you end up doing, or you might want to fold it where it's on the inside. So did some stenciling here. This paper smells really good, y'all. Did a little bit of inking on this page. You can barely see it. I tried to go light just to kind of keep it, you know, kind of faded out like. This page, I just kind of did some different things to it. I don't really know how happy I am with it, so I may scratch this page from the kit altogether unless you like it. You know, maybe it's a little whimsical, you like it. This one is just some lined paper. I just kind of yeah, just stamped it a little bit there. And then this one I had added some paint onto it, did some stamping with paint. I thought that turned out really good. I like doing that. Here's another stencil. And then there's just some blank pages as well. So that shows an idea of what you'll get there. Like I said, I'm not in love with the page with the pink on it. I don't know, it kind of got a little blobby on me. So, but you can just let me know if you want that page in your kit, you know. If not, I might put it, or I might, put a different page. Because I just want to make sure you are getting the best of everything. These are some pages from a vintage Hallmark book. 1971. This just shows a sample of what you'll get. This is just the first few pages that I had taken out of the book. But it's just a beautiful, beautiful book. So each kit will get, 3 or 4 pages of that. Also a book, it's not a vintage book, it's more like a vintage inspired. And it's beautiful. It's just, like things that you would write for your daughter to remember, things that you'd write about yourself, like what you did, putting a picture of you. I remember my mother and father, which is your grandmother and grandfather, what you called your grandmother and grandfather, just different things. This is, I guess, still some of the contents. Dear daughter, this is for you because these are just a sample of the pages that will be included. Let me see if I have that book here, or if I put it somewhere else. Well, I thought I had the book here. I must have put it in another box. But those are a sample of the pages that you'll get. Here's another vintage book. This is a sunset garden book, telling you how to build patios. Really neat. This book was June of 1975. There it is. And of course this is some of the table contents. This is just the first pages I'd taken out. But a lot of the pictures are like this, which I think is really neat. I like architecture and engineering. So, I like stuff like that. And then also, I love stickers. These are tons of alphabet stickers, 626 pieces actually. This is Prima stickers. This is from the romance novel collection, but I love the colors, and I think that they would just be really good. There's a lot of nice sentiments here, perfect, welcome, you're cute, best friends, thank you, thank you mom, or, amazing mom, just different things, or congratulations, if you're a new mom. There's just different sentiments that can be used, for your mom, or if you're giving this to your wife, or your sister, or a friend. There's sweet sentiments that it's not just for, your intimate partner or something. It could be used for other people too. And tons of letters and numbers and punctuations, which I think is really neat. So, that is what is included in this kit. These items can be used to, to embellish your junk journal. And, or, there's this napkin, there's laces, you can use some stuff like for collaging. There's different things in this kit that you can use. I geared it more toward like a junk journal embellishment kit, but use your creativity. You may have some other ideas that this would be great for. So I will be listing this in my eBay and Etsy shop, also on my website that I launched a few weeks ago, danagirlsdesigns.com. So I'll be having it on there if you want to come check out the website. I'm still getting stuff listed. As I had mentioned before, it's a subscription box website. I do have one-time products, which is like what I sell on eBay and Etsy. And then I do have subscription deals where you could sign up for 3-month or 6-month or a year. But yeah, just check it out, and if you have any questions, feel free to let me know. But thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a great day. Bye.